welcome back to my channel. So today we are cooking some Kālua pork. Normally this dish is cooked with cabbage, but I forgot the cabbage yesterday when I did my mini grocery haul. But it's okay because it goes well with rice. What is Kālua? So Kālua is a Hawaiian dish. It's a popular dish that you have at parties, and it's a great dish if you're on a budget and you're trying to make your wallet stretch. The family loves it. I know you guys will love it too. So follow along and see how I cook it. I just put the Kālua in the oven. As you can see, I set it for 5.5 hours. But I will be checking it periodically, at least every 2 hours, so that if I need to add more water, I can add more water, and if I need to adjust the liquid smoke, I can add a little bit more because I still have that remaining half bottle left over. So the goal is to eat dinner at around 6 o'clock. So we'll see. We just pulled the Kālua out of the oven, and you saw me shredding it in the same pan that it was cooking in. And here it is, plated on the dish. You make this at home. I know you will love it. If you like this video, please subscribe. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also share it. Thank you guys.